That is the Congress Party's agenda, according to Mr. Rajgopalan, and the entire opposition is backing Congress in doing that. It's very interesting that how strong this unity is in the opposition, how strong this bond is, Ashutosh Mishra.
This is what you had said earlier, Atkana, Bhatkana, Latkana. I mean, they have this bias against Rahul Gandhi, and he has become an excuse for them to hide their own failures. Let's talk about the issue today. The issue today is whether any discussion in Parliament would have any positive result. As the BJP spokesperson has said, in Lok Sabha, they have brute majority, which means they are not ready to listen to anyone. They will just go through the motions, push their bills, and that will be it. Sometimes bills will be pushed as money bills, which should have been. The problem here is that GST. Why can't the Prime Minister talk about GST on essential items being withdrawn? You don't have to wait for a Nirmala Sitharaman to recover from COVID. Saying that we will discuss it later means that we are not going to consider your request of taking it back. It's just that ab ho gaya, ab to tuglaki sakka ye chalega. If you remember, Narendra Modi recently called concessions to poor as revelry culture. Those freebies being handed. And what are these taxes used for? These taxes are used for, there was just a RBI report recently that government's capital expenditure has increased incrementally. While the private sector is sitting on cash buffer. Private sector is not spending, but the government is overspending. And where does this money come from? From taxes. Now, what do taxes, you and I, people like you and I pay, and it goes to the cronies of Modi and...
You're mixing up a lot of issues, Mr. Mishra.
This is the Malai culture, and that's why they don't want to discuss GST or any other...
Okay, Malai culture.
Malai culture, and Smriti Irani is a beneficiary.
A new term has come up, Malai culture. You believe in Malai culture, that's why you don't want discussion. Sanjeev Verma, respond. My point, Ashutosh Mishra, is if the government has all the counters and if the opposition has these important issues to raise, then why waste people's money and why waste everybody's time? Have these discussions inside the parliament, let something fruitful come out of it.
To Sanjeev Verma, she spoke about wheat, and she forgot that Modi ji went abroad and said we are ready to export if WTO allows. So wheat in Ukraine is not going to affect India. Inflation is there, but she talks about US. US gave money to its poor, protected them. Narendra Modi does not do anything.
Ashutosh ji, please, I'm asking you a very specific question.
Who are unemployed.
Ashutosh ji, I'm asking you a very specific question. I'm asking you a very specific question. Please stick to that.
So discussion. You are asking me why there cannot be a discussion in Parliament? That's what I'm telling you. Because if we go to, first of all, as Tehseen has pointed out, it's not there on the agenda. Secondly, tomorrow there will be bhashans about which will contain similar untruths, where they will make an excuse and blame Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi for everything that this Atkana, Bhatkana, Latkana is the main problem. They will not talk about economics. They will not talk about facts. They will twist facts. If they have a problem, they will change the base year of GDP and they will change show that there is higher growth. When they will talk about growth,
constant disruptions happening here as well. Constant disruptions happening here as well. But it's very important for important issues to be raised in the parliament, for a discussion and debate to happen on that, because that is where the interest lies of all the people of this country. Unfortunately, time and money is being wasted. But the big question is, who is responsible for that? Who is not allowing a samvad to happen inside the parliament? Decide for yourselves, viewers. You are listening to both the sides and also watching what is happening inside the parliament. Thank you very much to all our guests. In fact, Sanjeev Verma and Tehseen Poonawalla will continue to be with us for debate number 2 as well.